Nawalaw. Right.
Enin dalang sa.
Uy, one now. Ang gusto bertuan?
Yes, sakat.
Bertuan.
Sinbertuhan.
So how many rooms?
So one bedroom flat. It's a duplex.
One bedroom.
Yeah.
If it's a local with no, just the one.
This
Just
is one this and not here.
So how much is this?
Altogether we spent about 43,000.
For the duplex?
Yeah, the whole duplex.
Yes, 40,000 now. Here, this is more than enough.
Yeah.
Eh, baru lang kami nagkasino mo.